Hey guys, this is the 21st video in this tutorial series on structured query language. In this video I will be dealing with the top and limit clauses. Now both of them are used to fetch or display limited number of records, and that too from the top. Now some SQL databases support the top clause and some do not. For example, MySQL does not support the top clause. For MySQL server, the alternative of top clause is the limit clause, and for Oracle it is row num. Now let's see the syntax for the top and limit clauses. The syntax for top clause is select top, then the number of records we want to see, then column name from table name. And that of limit clause is select column name from table name and then limit, the limit clause, and then the number of records we want to see. Now since I am using MySQL server, therefore I will be able to show you only the limit clause. So let's see how it works. So select star from table name is employee and then the limit clause, and I want to see the first 5 records. So 5. See, the 5 records have been displayed. Let's see once more. Now I will change the number and I want to see the first 3 records. See, so in this way the limit clause is used to display limited number of records from the top. So thank you guys, this was all for this video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and stay tuned to my channel for my upcoming videos in this series.